Hello mga idol, ito po ako si Ruby's Vlog. Punta po tayo ng mall guys, samahan niyo po ako, pipili po tayo ng shades. Minsan lang tayo mag self-indulge. Tignan nyo naman guys, tagilid na itong shades ko, kaya kailangan na siyang palitan.
We can pack our bags and we just go, go, go. He said let's go catch a flight. We bout to stay up all night. Red eye goodbye, hold my hand tight. He take me straight to the sky. Baby take me out to Tokyo.
It's so hard to choose.
Yo, let me catch a flight to San Diego, Paris, Madrid.
Pinag-iisipan ko talaga guys kung bibili ba ako ng shades guys. Kaya lang iniisip ko guys na dapat mag-ipon. Am I doing the right thing?
Yeah, I think this one is better.
This one is very nice.
I like that one. Right?
Okay, how much is this? Ayun guys, nawala ako sa sarili ko guys. Nag-impulsive buying naman po ako. Yeah, this one is perfect.
Yeah, it's
For my face.
and it's also thick.
Yeah.
Good, good. Go for this one.
Okay. And the shape also, it matches my face.
Yeah, I said no. The spirals also suits your face because your face is oval
Okay.
and little cat. Aywa, good, good.
Isip ko na lang na reward ko po sa aking sarili sa mahabang panahon ng aking pagkayod.
Perfect.
Yes.
Motivate, go. Anywhere you wanna be, where we gonna go? Take me on a ride.
So yun guys, salamat po sa pagpanood na aking video. See you on my next videos. Bye for now.